He always shines a special light to everyone he meets. He loves to talk and shake the hands of everyone he greets. He's always optimistic, he'll give you anything. On his hand he proudly wears a ring.
Worshipful Master, it now remains for me to present to you the gable. I therefore trust that in your hands it will be wielded for the best interest of the brethren of your lodge. Master, behold your brethren. Brethren, behold your master.
It's the way that I can tell the world the kind of man I am, that I put my trust in God above, and for brotherhood I stand. It reminds me to be honest and to remember whence I came. I'm a man that you can count on, that's why I wear this ring.
Before anything else, I would like to thank everyone, for all of you who took time to join me in celebrating this momentous occasion of my life.
I returned all my 3 degrees just before I saw the light while bending on my knees. The room was all so silent, and all at once I got to see. My eyes began to focus on Dad and my own ring. That's the way that I will tell the world the kind of man I am, that I put my trust in God above, and for brotherhood I stand. It reminds me to be honest, to remember whence I came. I'll be a man that you can count on, that's why I'll wear this ring. Tonight I watched as my son returned his own